Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. These are a selection of my acetate tools made with gaffer tape and bamboo skewers. And I'm going to put them over there and figure out, just grab the right one. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And I've thought about this a little bit. It's coated with mead and black paint that's dry. I want sort of a random, more random than that. That's Dazzling White from DecoArt, and this is DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold. Which I like more than I thought, so hopefully that won't be an issue. Then I'm going to use a selection of groupings of colors, I think. This is Pink Carnation. A little Dancing Fuchsia. Some Snapdragon. So Whispering Wisteria is next. There is no one here to answer the phone. I like Rhapsody Rose, so I'm going to throw a little bit of that in there. I want some Orange Crush. Soon I will run out of, but right now I'm going to join it with some, maybe some Yellow Orange or Tuscan Sun. Oopsie. Oh well, never mind. So I want some Sour Apple, but I also want something like Cerulean Blue. I'm liking my colors. I like to put this, how much do I have left? Not much. I'm running low on everything. And then it'll be time to switch brands. I have a yellow green if I need it. I'm thinking I want one more color, and it might be Periwinkle, although I do have Tickle Pink. I think that's going to come as well. But I've got to stop squeezing things out before I find out if they're going to spew something all over the place. I'm tempted by adding a little bit of white. Which I could still do. time to grab a medium size. No, that's a small one. And some Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. Scrape dish. I think I need my sponge. I might even want paper towels. I'm going to put some white down and try it. Amsterdam white. I'm going to try a different acetate swipe tool. I'm going to try and envision that this is going to work out to look like dancers. Still want a scrape dish. And I want some dancing fuchsia. I've got other colors too. I still want to try some black. So far so good. Now what? I've got orange. I could try that. I'm going to try some directly on. I might be sorry. The orange is not impressing me much. I know the cobalt turquoise will work. I've got some blue, but I'm not sure what it's made out of. Chances are good if it doesn't look like what I was anticipating, but I'll just put spirals in and not worry about it. Not unlike me to fully utilize my spare paint either. It's time to try some black. I was anticipating a card Good shapes. I'm going to try the blue, although I really like the black. Ooh, I almost unscrewed the top completely. I wish I knew what that blue was. Still got some dancing fuchsia on there. Whatever it is, it works better than anything else. It immediately went to cells. Now, what about this last one? I want black again. Sorry I'm quiet, I'm really focused. Things have become kind of challenging for me lately, so it definitely takes me longer to do things I used to do. Now, is there any place that I feel like I might want something? Kind of like the idea of using up my spare paint. And I kind of like the idea of trying out the addition of the gold spots. Now that's not good, because that was just gray. Now let's add a few spirals. Don't want to drag all the way down to canvas. I need a more delicate paintball. I can pretty much steal paint from almost anywhere if I want to. And I might need to. Because I like the idea of including a few feet. Might or might not be a good idea, but I like the idea. Not sure the spring wisteria will show up. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.